Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some intense body camera footage. Remember, everyone you'll see is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. The facts are as I know them. Let's jump right in.
Eustis 50 delete 1050.
Fine.
10-4, 28 of Alpha Foxtrot 30 Whiskey Hotel. That's AF 30WH on a white Chevrolet Tahoe. Older model. We're going to be at Clifford and Grove at the post office.
1700 hours.
Hello, I'm Officer Williams with the Eustis Police Department. You know why I stopped you?
I have no flipping clue.
This will be your seatbelt, sir.
I just took it off.
No, you didn't have it on when you turned at the corner.
I always wear my seatbelt.
It's on camera when you're turning in front
Show
of me.
me on the camera.
I'm not going to show you, but I write you a citation. You can take it to court, and I'll show it to court. Do you have
what you got to do? But I know right now that I always wear. People make fun of me for wearing a seatbelt.
Okay, well,
I mean, my shirt's black.
I seriously saw it hanging down, and your shirt's black with this. If you don't want me touching, this is opposite color.
Right
That
there.
sticks out. It wasn't on you when you turned the corner right here. I don't know if you took it off on Bay Street maybe, but whenever you turned the corner and passed me, you didn't have it on.
You do what you got to do, buddy.
And you have the
I'm calling you a
driver's
fucking
license?
liar. Yeah, it's in my glove box.
All right, would you mind grabbing it?
1704 hours.
And your registration, sir? Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
Yes, I am. It's in there.
Okay.
Eustis 13 Luke.
Eustis 13.
I'll be 1075 vehicle.
I don't need that, no, sir. Just looks similar to that, but it's not trailer.
04 hours.
Well, I know that. I've got multiple trailers I tow, so I have to carry all this shit.
Okay.
So you guys don't freaking get irate and take me to jail.
Lake County Severity 31, 65 of an inspection. Okay. An inspection at Panic Avenue and Sublet. Looks like it's going to be at 3892 Bannock Avenue. However, the address was not validate the pass. Chemical fuel. 1705 hours.
I just put the damn sticker on the thing. What if I start this up? My dogs are getting hot.
That's fine, yeah.
Camper. That's expired. Go on, girl. Sit down. Move. Bullshit. There it is.
Lake County Severity 42. The signal 8 is going to be a Brianza Tolbert. In her name file says that she's a frequent runaway and goes to 2218 Mary Road.
26. Eustis 58 to Lake. The registered owner George is the driver.
Number 2, bye. County Eustis 58.
Good.
He's showing 5429P valid is showing a serve 1049 Alpha. For PPN is Connie DeMoss.
26.
They got to use this 221065 at 98.
Go ahead.
Signal 98 at Circle K 195.
George, here's your stuff.
1956,
So, May is clearing a
Polar
ticket.
transferred to
So,
the fire
I'm citation
department.
for you
Advised that
116
a
Lake County
pole
Courthouse within 30
is
days.
smoking
You can pay it online, in person, or you can mail it in.
There are flames at this
You have 30 days to do so.
I'm moving. I'm moving. Next week, I'm out of Florida. I ain't living here no more. So I ain't paying the money.
That's fine. They'll put a warrant out.
Put
There you
a
go.
warrant out for a seatbelt.
They might. I don't know.
It's not a traffic infraction. It's
So-
not even a misdemeanor.
Have a great day, George.
Oh,
my feelings.
The call was transferred to them.